Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we're gonna talk about AMC. It is such a popular stock and it is one of the most interesting stocks that we see around because it is highly speculative. You can make a lot of money on AMC if you play the right cards. However, you can lose a lot of money on AMC if you don't use the right risk management strategies. And that's what we're gonna talk about today in this video. Just remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, consider subscribing. Why would you subscribe? Because I'm here every day to update you guys on many stocks, including Tesla, NIO, Apple, Nvidia, and much more. Now let's see how AMC is doing. Today we are near a top level. We are near a resistance at $16.14, this black line up here, which was a resistance, a top level on May 31, and it did work as a resistance again yesterday with an astonishing precision. On May 31, the highest point was $16.13. Yesterday's high was $16.14. So clearly this is a resistance area for us and we should keep our eyes open at this area because, well, the risk-reward ratio is not that good if you want to buy AMC. If you want to sell AMC, that's a little bit more attractive. However, so far, we don't see a crystal clear top signal on it. If we analyze the 1 hour chart, I do believe AMC could correct more, could do a sharper correction if we lose today's low, if we lose $14.19. Why? Because if we do that, we're gonna trigger a classic bearish reversal signal, call it bearish pivot point. We're gonna do a lower high and a lower low. If we trigger this pattern in the 1 hour chart, I do believe we're gonna trigger a sharper pullback in the daily chart as well. And I do believe maybe the EMA is going to work as a support level for us. Maybe. I wouldn't count too much on that because EMA is usually is not a reliable indicator when we see a congestion like we are seeing right now on AMC, right? We see AMC dancing around the 21 EMA and we don't see it as a clear support level. In that case, I would work with this purple trend line down here, which clearly it is working as a very nice support level for us since May 12, right? So yeah, it did work as a support level on May 12, again twice on May 24, May 25. It did work as a multiple support area over here on June 13, 14, 15. Wow, it's a multiple support level area, okay, and it is working very nicely for AMC. So if we drop to the point of retesting this purple trend line again, I do believe we could possibly see a very nice buy signal on AMC if we do the right reaction. If we see a bullish candlestick pattern near this support, okay, then it will be a buy signal, right? But you gotta be careful because AMC is highly speculative. You gotta set your stop loss very tightly, preferably below this purple trend line over here, okay? Because if we lose this trend line, AMC could easily drop to lower levels, and we do have the $9.70 down here as a key support level for us again, okay? So yeah, I would pay attention to this purple trend line. Right now, if you ask me, AMC is really trying to reverse the trend, okay? It's really trying to do that. We see the 21 EMA pointing upwards again, finally, since which is something we don't see it doing clearly since March 2022, okay? So March this year. So yeah, I do believe AMC could do a very nice jump if we trigger the right patterns. And right now, although I don't see AMC as a crystal clear buy, I rather prefer buying near support levels. If you are already my subscriber, you know me, right? You know that I always like to buy when we are near support levels instead of going up like crazy. I think when you're going up, you should sell your positions, not buy. However, there is a strategy for you. If you are a breakout trader, if you believe that by the moment we break $16.14, you would see some short squeeze, you would see some short sellers having to buy their positions back, and you would see some investors starting to pay more attention to AMC because we are breaking a very nice resistance level on it, then what would be your target? Your target must be the next resistance level over here, meaning 111% upside potential, nearly 112% upside potential, because we see no other meaningful resistance on AMC other than $34.30. All right, so maybe this point could work around the $18, $19 over here. Maybe this point could work as a secondary resistance level, but if we break $16.14, the target is the $34.30. Okay, so if you are a breakout trader, that's what you are waiting for right now on AMC. You just gotta be careful because in the weekly chart, we are clearly under the EMA. So it is a bull trend in the 1 hour chart. We are doing higher highs, higher lows. If we do a lower low, okay, we're gonna trigger a pullback to this purple line in the daily chart, but it is a bull trend in the 1 hour chart. Okay, so far it is, as long as we stay above $14.19. In the daily chart, it is more like a congestion, but we do have some signs it could reverse. But in the weekly chart, we are in bear market. We are totally bearish. We see nothing but lower highs, lower lows, and AMC could easily find a resistance level on around this 21 EMA, around the resistance at $16.14 in the daily chart, and drop all the way down again. And this would be just a dead cat bounce. However, by breaking the EMA and by breaking the $16.14 in the daily chart, I do believe we're gonna trigger a very nice bullish movement. Okay, the $34 area would be the optimal target, but we gotta pay attention to this purple trend line in the weekly chart as well, because this point might work as a resistance as well. Right now, I do believe this key point, 16.14, is the most important key point on AMC. Only by breaking this point, we could see AMC flying all the way up again, maybe to this purple trend line around $24, $23. Maybe that's a real possibility, but the optimal target would be $34. Now, if we lose this purple line, we will probably drop below $10 all the way down again. Keep in mind, AMC is, fundamentally speaking, a horrible company. It is simply a horrible company. Let's take a quick look at its fundamentals. According to Simply Wall Street, which is a very, very good website for fundamental analysis, I really recommend it. If you want to sign up, remember to check the link in the description of this video, because I am an affiliate of Simply Wall Street. Now, its revenue is forecast to grow 10% per year. Wow, that's quite good. However, it has negative shareholders' equity. It has negative shareholders' equity, my friends. It is a horrible company, okay? It is in serious, deep problems. It has less short-term assets than short-term liabilities. It has less long-term assets than long-term liabilities. So this company is in serious danger, okay? Serious danger. Its valuation makes zero sense. It should be at 32 cents according to Simply Wall Street's metric. It is almost 5,000% overvalued at $15. If you want to take a quick look at the data Simply Wall Street uses to calculate the fair value, they use the dividend discount model. It's a fairly simple calculation, okay? And they explain what are the metrics they use to calculate the dividend discount model. It is a quite good website for fundamental analysis. I really recommend it. So to sum up, keep in mind, this is a very speculative company. If it goes up, it is not going to be because of its fundamentals. Maybe we could see some good news here and there that could make AMC go up, or this could work other way as well, right? Any bad catalyst could make it crash all the way down below $10 easily in the next couple of weeks. So remember, my dear friends, this is just my humble opinion using technicals and fundamentals. I am totally oblivious and ignorant regarding news about the company. You guys may teach me on this subject, but only looking at the technicals, I would say right now is not necessarily a buy, but it could be interesting if we break 16.14. Fundamentally speaking, it's horrible. It's simply horrible. I think it deserves to drop way more than that. However, there's nothing indicating we're gonna drop, unless if we lose this purple line again. So right now we are in a no man's land over here, waiting for a breakout of either 16.14 or the purple trend line down here. I will keep you guys updated. So seriously, remember subscribe. Are you still watching this video and you are not my subscriber yet? You probably like it, the content. Why would you still be here if you didn't like it? I mean, why would you waste your time? So seriously, click on the like button. You like it, the video. Remember that. Thank you very much. Stay safe, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Farewell.